and shake out the hands. Shake out the elbows and shoulders. Gently pulse into the knees and feet. And as we shake the entire body to cleanse and clear, let's use the healing sound for the wood element, which is shh. Deep breath in and exhale out. Shh. You feel your feet firmly rooted into the earth. Spine is long. And the arms are long as well. And now begin to slow it down. Beautiful. Close your eyes for a moment and then just check in. Notice how your body feels. Do you feel that tingling sensation in your body? That's your chi. That is your life force energy activated. And that life force energy, the chi, is what animates every aspect of your being. Chi is what animates, I made up a new word, animates everything on the planet and the universe. It's all energy. And chi is energy. Beautiful. Okay. So this exercise that we're going to do next is called Between Heaven and Earth. So we'll stand with our legs and feet about hip width apart, and the knees are soft, spine is long, and the arms are rounded in front of us. So we take a deep breath here to begin. Breathe into your body. And as you exhale, shift your hips back and bend forward. Relaxing your head, neck, and shoulders and arms. So you'll inhale as you gather the energy of the earth, and we draw it up as you roll up through your spine. Arms are going to lift up in front of your body. Then you're going to lift your arms up above your head. Press your palms up to the sky. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. And then you're going to bring your fingertips to touch the crown center. Soften your knees. Take an inhale. And then exhale, lengthen through your legs, reach your arms up and out. Circle the arms around and down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale as you roll up and exhale. Inhale, fingertips touch the crown center. And exhale. And open the arms out and down. Ooh, I forgot a part. So we're going to cross the wrists, deep breath, and then exhale, float down. That is the exercise. Here we go. Arms are rounded. Deep breath. Exhale. I love that last little bit with the wrist cross. Inhale as you roll up. Exhale, press up. Inhale. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Again. So as we roll up, we draw the earth energy up, allow it to move through the body, sending earth energy up to the heavens, gathering heavenly energy down through the body, back into the earth. And one last time. Beautiful. Bring your legs and feet close together, hands on your lower belly, one palm on top of the other. Soften your knees. And breathe deeply as we go into bamboo in the wind. Allow the energy within you to move you. And allow the body to gently rock and sway. Taking nice deep breaths into the belly. Sealing the practice. Beautiful. Take a deep breath and exhale, relax. Okay,